We have a red key lock sign on the washing machine as it is full of water. We need to open it and it won't open.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years. And currently work for a well-known manufacturer. Can you post the make and model number please? Regards.
It is a Hotpoint WMFG 821. My youngest put it on a stain block cycle and then it came up with a F0 something fault. We got this off and as there was water in it we tried to put it on a spin cycle. It did not work, just added more water, and now we cannot get the door to open as there is loads of water and none of the other programs work.
Hi, if you press the pause button and then select just a spin only, can you hear the pump run at the bottom? If not, then can you hear a slight humming noise from the bottom? Regards.
It sounds like a car that is ticking over.
Okay, what error code came up? Was it F05?
Yes.
Okay, F05 is a draining error code. What you need to do is remove the plastic trim on the front at the bottom, and behind there you will see the filter. If you are able to pull the washer out and lower the drain hose into a bowl to drain the water out from there. Or if you cannot pull it out, then you need to get a shallow tray under the filter and slacken it, and you can slowly drain the water from there. Once all the water is out, then you need to remove the filter from there and pull it out and give it a good clean. Then look inside the chamber where the filter goes, and in there at the back you will see the pump impeller X shape. Check there is nothing stuck in there jamming it up. Then once it's all clear, turn it back on and see if the door will open from there. If so, then retry it and see how it goes from there and let me know. Regards.
Water has gone everywhere, just cleaning up. Is it safe to put on a normal wash after?
Yes, once it's all cleared and you have dried the water up, then retry it and fingers crossed that sorted it. Regards.
Okay. We will keep you posted. Give us 5.
No worries, that's fine.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.